RO-iPanel Auto MPV with RS-485 wiring. This RO-iPanel box contains conductivity sensor, RO-iPanel. Unscrew 4 screws to open the back cover of panel. Conductivity wiring. Connect conductivity wires red in 22 and black in 23 number connector. Permeate flow sensor wiring. Connect permeate flow sensor wires red in 16, yellow in 17 and black in 18 number connector. Mounting of permeate flow sensor. Reject flow sensor wiring. Connect reject flow sensor wires red in 19, yellow in 20 and black in 21 number connector. Mounting of reject flow sensor. TWT LVL Floaty Wiring. Cut the brown cable of floaty wire. Fix the lugs on both the remaining cables. Connect TWT LVL Floaty wires black in 7 and blue in 8 number connector. RWT LVL Floaty Wiring. Connect RWT LVL Floaty wires black in 7 and blue in 9 number connector. LPS Wiring. Connect LPS wires black in 12 and red in 10 number connector. HPS Wiring. Connect HPS wires red in 11 and black in 12 number connector. First AMPV wiring. Open the front cover of first AMPV. Connect 2 core 0.5 square mm wires red in A and black in B connector. Close the cover of first AMPV. Second AMPV wiring. Open the front cover of second AMPV. In second AMPV, insert the first wire which is coming from first AMPV. And also insert the second wire which will be going to RO-iPanel. Now connect both wires parallelly in second AMPV's red A and black B connector. Close the cover of second AMPV. Connect the wire which is coming from AMPV 2 as RS-485 wiring in panels black 24B and red 25A connector. Power board wiring. Unscrew the wire clamp. HPP wiring. Red in phase and black in neutral. Please use 2.5 square mm wire and HPP max rating should be 3 HP. RWP wiring. Red in phase and black in neutral. Please use 2.5 square mm wire and RWP max rating should be 3 HP. Reject SV wiring. Connect red in phase and black in neutral. Dosing pump wiring. Connect red in phase and black in neutral. Mains input supply wiring. Connect red in phase and black in neutral. Use 4 square mm wire for input. Both AMPV supply wiring. Connect both wires red in phase and black in neutral parallelly. Fix the wire clamp. Take main supply from MCB. Please use 25 ampere MCB and 4 square mm wire.